Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra renders have been leaked online, suggesting a similar design to the current model, the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. The South Korean tech giant is expected to launch its next-generation tablets early next year, but leaks have already started surfacing. According to a report, the design of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra may not change drastically, with the device still speculated to maintain its large but slim form factor and a notch for the dual front cameras. In this video, we'll dive into the details of the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, exploring its design, features, and performance. In a report, Tipster on Leaks, collaborating with Android Headlines, shared several renders of the Galaxy S10 Ultra. The flagship tablet appears to still feature dual front cameras housed in a notch. It is also reported to get dual cameras at the back with an LED flash. In terms of design, the power and volume buttons may get the same placement, which is on the right side of the tablet. It is also said to feature a similar display to the 14.6-inch AMOLED screen in the current model. As per the report, it will still sport a quad-speaker setup with sound by AKG, and the S Pen will be magnetically attachable to the back of the tablet. Its dimensions are also tipped to remain identical to its predecessor, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, which is the company's top-of-the-line offering and also the largest tablet in the market. It measures 326.4 by 208.6 by 5.45 mm. While this form factor makes the tablet very sleek, it isn't the slimmest one around, with the new iPad Pro 13-inch 2024 measuring just 5.1 mm in width. It is said to retain quad speakers tuned by AKG, an IP68 water-resistant body, and an IP68 rated S Pen. Samsung's OTA database information revealed that the Tab S10 Ultra tablet model is said to come with 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB variants. We will have to wait to find out if the tablet will get the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or move to Snapdragon X Elite to compete with the iPad Pro with an Apple M4 chip. We've seen evidence that the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus will be powered by the Dimensity 9300 Plus. However, we haven't heard much about the Ultra model. Will it follow the S24 Ultra and use a Snapdragon chipset exclusively? Is Samsung maybe looking at the Snapdragon X Elite or Plus chips, or a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3? The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 series is expected to be introduced in Q4 2024 or early 2025, and we should know more details in the coming months. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra appears to be a refinement of the S9 Ultra, with a focus on maintaining familiar design and features. While this may not bring significant innovation, it could appeal to users who appreciate the consistency and performance of the previous model. As more details emerge, it will be interesting to see how Samsung balances refinement with innovation in its flagship tablet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in tech news. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.